Welcome students to BSL. So we are continuing the topic quadrilateral. So we are discussing today square and rhombus. Okay. So what is the definition of a square? A square is a quadrilateral or a polygon, four-side polygon that has all sides equal. Okay. All angles are equal. All right. Opposite sides are parallel and all angles are right angles. All right. That means in a square you have all sides equal, you have opposite sides parallel, you have all angles equal, and all angles are right angles. That is the definition of a square, right? So like we discussed in last topic, if you press a square on the side, right, you will get another figure, a shape which is called rhombus. So a rhombus is similar to a square, but there are some differences. So in a rhombus, all sides are equal, but all angles are not equal. Opposite sides are parallel. All angles are not right angles. Okay. So you will see a rhombus. When you see a rhombus, you know that all the sides are equal in a rhombus. All the opposite sides are parallel to each other. They will not intersect. But the angles are not right angles. Okay. And the angles are not equal. This is about square and rhombus. We'll discuss about other shapes in the next lecture. Thank you.